Hi, my dear children. Very good morning. In the previous class, we learned how to find a area of a triangle using the determinants. Children, today in this class, we will learn to find the minors and cofactors. Minors and cofactors. So, first of all, let me know what is a minor of an element. So usually the minor of an element Aij of a determinant, minor of an element Aij of a determinant is a determinant obtained by deleting its ith row and jth column in which the element Aij lies. Aij lies or Aij occurs. Again, the minor of an element Aij is of a determinant obtained by deleting its ith row and jth column in which that element Aij occurs or lies. Generally, they are denoted by Mij. Mij. Again, what is Mij? It is a minor of an element Aij. Mij is a minor of an element Aij. Aij. Okay. So we'll see an example. Let delta is equals to determinant 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 1, 0, minus 2. Then how to find a minor of these elements? Okay. So generally the minor of, we know that minor of any element is denoted as what? Mij. So what is the element A11, A12, A13? This is A21, A22, A23. This is A31, A32, A33. That is minor of 1. Minor of 1 that is equals to minor of what is the element? That is A11. Again, that is equals to, we know that it is denoted as what? M11. M11, that is Ij. Mij 1, 1. So minor of 1 is obtained by deleting its row and column. Again, ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮೈನರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ರೋ ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇವು ಈ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಈಗ ಸರ್ ಮೈನರ್ ಆಫ್ A11 ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ರೋ ನ ಬಿಡಬೇಕು, ಈ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಈ ರೋ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್? 5, 6, 0, -2. ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 5, 6, 0, -2. ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತು, ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ order 2 by 2, right? So now expand this. We know how to expand this, right? Product of principal diagonals minus the product of non-principal diagonals. That is 5 into -2 minus 10. Again minus 0 into 6. That is 0. That is equal to -10. Minus 10. Similarly, that is minor of 2. Minor of 2. So that is a minor of 2. That is equals to again minor of what is the element? A12. Again that is equals to M12. that is equals to, how to find the minor of 2? 2 ಯಾವ ರೋಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಆ ರೋಲ್ ನ ಯಾವ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಆ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಟರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಈಗ ಇದು ಈ ರೋಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಬಿಡಬೇಕು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬಿಡಬೇಕು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಬಿಡಬೇಕು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್? 4 6 -1 -2, that is 4 6 -1 -2 -2. Expand this, that is 4 into -2 -8 -8 again -1 into 6, that is -6. So minus of minus plus 6 again -8 plus 6 gives -2 again minor of 3. So that is minor of 3, that is equals to minor of A13 that is equals to M13 again, that is equals to again ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮೈನರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ರೋಲ್ ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಿಕ್ಕ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಟರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಈಗ ಮೈನರ್ ಆಫ್ 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ರೋ ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ನ ಬಿಡಬೇಕು, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ನ ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. ಎರಡು ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ದ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್? 4 5 -1 0, that is determinant 4 5 -1 0. Again expand this, 4 into 0 0 -1 into 5, that is -5 minus of minus plus 5, that is equal to 5 is equals to 5. Similarly minor of 4, okay, so that is minor of 4, that is equals to minor of A21, that is equals to M21, M2 second row, minor of second row first column element, second row first column element, that is equal to ega. So minor of 4 andre ಆ 4 ಯಾವ ರೋಲ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಆ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ರೋ ಅನ್ನ, ಯಾವ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಆ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಿಕ್ಕ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಟರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 3 4 ಯಾವ ರೋಲ್ ಇದೆ? ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ದ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 2 3 again 0 -2, right? Expansion, that is equals to 2 into -2 -4 minus 0 into 3, that is 3 again, that is equals to -4 again. So minor of 5 again, minor of 5 andre that is minor of 5, that is equals to again, so minor of what is the element? A22 is equals to M22, that is equals to, ಈಗ 5 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಬಿಡಬೇಕು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಇದು ಬಿಟ್ರೆ what is the remaining? 1 3 -1 2, so that is determinant of 1 3 -1 again -2 again, that is equals to 1 into -2 again -1 into 3 -3 minus of minus plus 3, that is equals to -2 plus 3 gives 1 again. So minor of 6, okay, so minor of that is equals to minor of what is the element? That is A23 again, that is equals to M23 again, that is equal to determinant of, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ 6 ಯಾವ ರೋಲ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಆ ರೋಲ್ ನ, ಯಾವ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯೋ ಆ ಕಾಲಮ್ ನ. 6 ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ರೋಲ್ ಇದೆ? ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ. ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ? ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ third column elements ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಇದಿರುತ್ತೆ 1 to minus 1 0, so that is 1 to minus 1 0. Expand again, that is equals to 1 into 0 0 minus 1 into 2 minus 2 minus or minus plus, that is equals to 2. Again we find that this minor of minus 2, minor of minus 2, that is minor of minus 1, that is equals to minor of which element? Third row first element. Therefore that is A31, that is equals to M31, that is equals to determinant. ಈಗ ಈ -1 ಯಾವ ರೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯೋ ಆ ರೋ ನ ಯಾವ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯೋ ಆ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಿಕ್ಕ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ -1 ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 2 3 5 6 5 6 again that is equals to 2 into 3 sorry 2 into 6 12 minus 5 into 3 that is 15 again plus 12 minus 15 gives minus 3. Next similarly minor of 0, minor of 0, general minor of 0, that is equals to minor of element that is A32, A3 third row second column element, that is equals to M32, that is equal to andre so minor of 0 andre ಈ 0 ಯಾವ ರೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯೋ ಆ ರೋ ಬಿಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಆ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. ಈ ರೋ ನ ಈ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ 1 3 4 6, that is 1 3 4 6 4 6 again that is equals to 1 into 6 6 minus 4 into 3, that is 12, that is equals to plus 6 minus 12 minus 6. Similarly minor of minus 2, minor of minus 2, that is equals to M31, minor of M31, that is equals to determinant of M33, minor of M33, so that is this element. Therefore leaving this row and column we have 1 2 4 5, so that is 1 2 4 5 again that is equals to 1 into 5 5 minus 4 into 2, that is 8, so plus 5 minus 8 gives minus 3. Now again ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮೈನರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ರೋ ನ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹೀಗೆ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ so minor of 5, so that is minor of 5, what is that? That is how to find minor of 2? Second row second column M22 is equals to determinant of ಈಗ 5 ಯಾವ ರೋ ಇದೆಯೋ ಆ ರೋ ನ ಬಿಡಬೇಕು, ಈ ರೋ ನ ಬಿಡಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಕಾಲಮ್ ನ ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. what are the remaining elements? 1 3 minus 1 minus 2, that is 1 3 minus 1 minus 2. Now simplify this, so that is 1 into minus 2 minus 2 minus 1 into 3, that is minus 3 minus or minus plus, that is equals to 1. Okay, so remember this. Okay, so it's very helpful to find the cofactors. So to find the cofactors we have to find what? Minus. Okay, so how to find minus? So this is the method. Okay, next one we have so next we have cofactor. Then how to find a cofactor of an element? The cofactor of an element Aij is denoted. So denoted as Aij, that is capital Aij. Here small a is Aij is element and capital Aij is cofactor of that is Aij. So usually they are defined as, that is Aij is equals to minus 1 whole to the power of I plus j, that is I through j column subscript into Mij, where Mij is what? It is a minor of an element Aij, right? So already we learned. So Mij is a minor of an element. Then how to obtain the cofactor? So I already told that Aij is what? Cofactor of element Aij, right? So cofactor of an element Aij is equals to minus 1 whole to the power of I plus j into Mij. I mean to say, so multiplying the appropriate sign to the minor of an element gives a cofactor of element. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು minor of an element ಗೆ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಸೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ cofactor of an element ಬರುತ್ತೆ. cofactor of an element. Okay, let's again to find the cofactors, that we will find the minus and will multiply appropriate sign, that is minus 1 whole to the power of I plus j. Okay, so multiply the minor of an element by appropriate sign, will get cofactor of an element. Cofactor of an element. For example, so what is cofactor of 1 1? So that is generally we write directly, that is A11. A11 is equals to that is minus 1 whole to the power of I plus j. I plus j subscript I row j column into m11 into what? M11. Again that is equals to, sir, minus 1 whole to the power of I plus j, that is 1 plus 1 gives 2. Minus 1 whole to the power of 2 gives what? Plus. So that is plus into m11. Here we have m11. What is m11? That is minus 10. Plus into minus, that is minus 10. So minus 10 is the cofactor of 1. Again, so what is the cofactor of this element? That is 2. So that is, it can be written as what? A12 means what? Second row, first row, second column element. That is equals to again minus 1 whole to the power of I plus j into m12. Again that is equals to minus 1 whole to the power of I plus j. What is I value? J. What is I value? 1. What is j value? That is 2. So minus 1 whole to the power of 1 plus 2 gives 3. Minus whole to the power of 3 gives what? Again minus of m2. That is m12. We have already find. What is the minor of the element? It is m2. We have minus 2. Minus 2. That is equals to minus into minus plus 2. Okay. Again, cofactor of A13. That is equals to minus 1 whole to the power of I. Formula we have I plus j into m13. That is equals to minus 1 whole to the power of 1 plus 3. That is 4. 4. So minus 1 whole to the power of 4 in baratte. That is plus baratte. Plus 1. Plus 1 into, that is plus into minor of m13. Already we have minor of, that is m13 is what? 5. That is 5 itself. Again, cofactor of A21. That is equals to minus 1 whole to the power of I plus j into m21. M21, that is equals to minus 1 whole to the power of 2 plus 1 minus 1 whole to the power of 3. that is use what minus into m to 1. What is m to 1? So we have that is m to 1 minus 4. So minus 4 into minus, because what minus into minus plus, that is plus 4. Similarly, we have that is a to 2. That is equals to minus 1 whole to the power of I plus j into m to 2. That is equal to minus 1 whole to the power of 2 plus 2. Again 4. Okay, again we have what 4. So what is 4? That is it gives what minus 1 whole to the power of 4 gives what minus 1. So that is plus 1 plus that is m2 2. What is the value of m2 2? We have that is m2 is equals to 1. That is equals to again 1. Again cofactor of a to 3 is equals to minus 1 whole to the power of I plus j into m to 3 that is equals to minus 1 whole to the power of 2 plus 3, that is 5. Minus 1 whole to the power of 5 is what? Minus 1, that is minus into m to 3. What is m to 3? We have that is 2. So 2. So minus 1 into 2 is what? Minus 2. Minus 2 again. So cofactor of next element is a31 is equals to minus 1 whole to the power of I plus j into m3 1. That is equals to minus 1 whole to the power of 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 gives 4. Minus 1 whole to the power of 4 gives what? That is plus 1. Plus 1 into m31. What is m31? We have m31, that is minus 3. That is plus into minus 3. Again, cofactor of next element, that is a32 is equal to minus 1 whole to the power of I plus j into m32. That is minus 1 whole to the power of 3 plus 2, 5. 3 plus 2, 5. Okay. What is 3 plus 2? That is 5. Minus 1 whole to the power of 1 gives what? Minus, that is minus 1 into m32. What is m32 we have here? Is minus 6. So again, minus into minus what? Plus 1 into 6 gives what? 6. Again, next element. So that is a33. That is equals to again minus 1 whole to the power of I plus j into m33. That is equals to. So 3 minus 1 whole to the power of 3 plus 6. So again minus 1 whole to the power of 6 gives what? Plus 1. That is plus 1 half m33. What is m33? We have that is minus 3. Minus that is equals to minus 3. So these are what? Cofactors and these are what? Minus. Okay. So ಇನ್ನ ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪವರ್ minus 1 whole to the power of I plus j ಇದೇನಾದ್ರೂ even number ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ even numbers. What are even numbers? We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, so on. Again, minus 1 whole to the power of even numbers. Even numbers andre 2, ಇಲ್ಲ 4, ಇಲ್ಲ 6, ಇಲ್ಲ 8, ಇಲ್ಲ 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, so on. ಆ numbers ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ minus 1 whole to the power of odd numbers. Minus 1 whole to the power of minus 1 whole to the power of odd numbers ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. That is minus 1. ಅದರ odd numbers ಯಾವುದು? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, so on. Okay. So ಈ numbers ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? Sign ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ಆ ಪವರ್ odd numbers ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ಪವರ್ ಏನಾದ್ರೆ even number ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. ಅದರ even numbers ಯಾವುದು? 2, 4, 6, so on. ಇಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, so on. Okay, right? ಇನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 2 ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಅದು? ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್, ರೈಟ್? ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 3 ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್? ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್, ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 4 and number that is your number, right? Yes, okay. We'll see that later, okay. So this is what how to find minors and cofactors, okay. So usually here I'll replace each element or every element by its cofactors. It's a cofactors. So what is the cofactor? That is what is the cofactor of 1? That is A11. We have minus 10. Minus 10. What is the cofactor of 2? We have 2 itself. What is the cofactor of 3? We have 5. What is the cofactor of 4? We have 4. What is the cofactor of 5? We have 1. What is the cofactor of 6? We have that is minus 2. What is the cofactor of minus 1? We have minus 3. What is the cofactor of 0? So we have 6. What is the cofactor of minus 2? We have 3. So usually this is called as cofactor matrix. Cofactor matrix. Okay. Then what is cofactor matrix? So cofactor matrix is obtained by replacing the element by its cofactor. Replacing an element by its cofactor gives the cofactor matrix. So cofactor matrix is obtained by replacing every element with its cofactors. Okay. So this is totally called as what? Cofactor matrix. Cofactor matrix. Then we have got something called as adjoint matrix. Adjoint matrix. Then how to obtain the adjoint matrix? The adjoint matrix is obtained by interchanging the rows and columns of a cofactor matrix. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು cofactor matrix ನ rows ಅನ್ನ columns ಅನ್ನ interchange ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ we get something called as what? Adjoint matrix. Adjoint matrix. Okay. Then what is adjoint matrix? Adjoint matrix is obtained by interchanging the rows and columns of cofactor matrix. Cofactor matrix. Therefore, that is usually they are denoted by adjoint A. This means what? Adjoint of A. So adjoint matrix is denoted by ADJ, capital A, adjoint A. Okay, that is therefore adjoint A is equals to, so interchange the rows and columns, that is minus 10 to 5, again 4 1 minus 2, again minus 3 6 minus 3. So this is what adjoint matrix. Adjoint matrix. Okay. Again, what is how to find adjoint matrix? To find the adjoint matrix, we have to find the cofactor matrix. How to find cofactor matrix? We have to find the cofactor of element. How to find the cofactor of element? We have to find the minor of an element. Minor of an element. Again. So what is the minor of element? So minor of element Aij of a determinant is again determined obtained by deleting ith row and j column in which the element Aij lies. So usually denoted as Mij. So then what is the cofactor? So cofactor of an element is denoted as Aij, capital Aij. And it is defined as, that is Aij is equals to minus 1 whole to the power of I plus j into Mij, where Mij is the minor of element Aij. Okay. So replacing each element or every element by its cofactors. ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅದರ ಕೋಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ you'll get cofactor matrix. Cofactor matrix. ಈಗ ಈ ಕೋಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್? ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ, interchanging rows to columns to rows is known as transpose. ಆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಕೋಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ you will get adjoint matrix. You get what? Adjoint matrix. We have some properties of adjoint matrix. We'll see that in the next class. Okay, so remember how to find a minor, and how to find a cofactor, how to find a cofactor matrix, and how to find a adjoint matrix. So cofactor matrix and the transpose ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ you get adjoint matrix. Okay, finish, right? So again, I'll give a simple example again. So we'll consider a matrix that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, then how to we'll find the cofactor of two elements. Okay, so how to find the cofactor of this element? 5. So we'll find the first part minor. I'll directly write the cofactor. So how to write the cofactor directly? Okay, the cofactor of a, that is what, a22. So cofactor of a22, that is equals to capital A22. So this cofactor of A22. So we know that the cofactor of element A22 can be written as what? Capital A22. Capital A22. Again, that is equals to. How to find this? So that is minus 1 whole to the power of I plus j. What is I plus j? That is 2 plus 2 plus 4. What is 4? 4 is an given number. Therefore, write plus into determinant of. Not find what. ಈಗ ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ 5 ಯಾವ ರೋ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಆ ರೋ ನ ಆ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1 3 7 9, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಈ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಕೋಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಗೆ, ಇದೇನಾಯ್ತು ಮೈನರ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಮೈನರ್ ಗೆ ಅಪ್ರಾಪ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಕೋಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅಗೇನ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು, ಸೊ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ 1 into 9 minus 7 into 3, that is 21. Okay, simplification, right? For example, what is the cofactor of this element? Cofactor of this element, what is the element? That is A32. That is cofactor of A32 can be written as what? A32, that is equals to, so minus 1 whole to the power of I plus j. The ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಬರೆಯೋ ಬದಲು just add the subscript 3 plus 2 use what? 5 ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್? ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬಂತು ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ into determinant of. ಈಗ leaving this column and row, we have 1 3 4 6, it is equal to, write the minus as it is, minus of 1 into 6 minus 4 into 3, that is 12. 6 minus 12 gives minus 6. So that is minus 6 into minus gives what? Plus 6. Okay. Again, what is the cofactor of, for example, this element? That is cofactor of A13 is equals to, what is 1 plus 3? 4. 4 ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್? even number ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ರೋ ನ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ what is the remaining elements? 4 5 again 7 8. Now simplify this. What is the cofactor of, for example, this number? Adhan bariತೀರಾ? So that is A31, that is equals to, what is 3 plus 1? That is 4. What is 4? Is even number bantu andre plus barಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So into determinant of, see here I am finding the cofactor directly. ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನರ್ ಬರೆದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆ ಮೈನರ್ ಗೆ ಸೈನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೈನರ್ ಗೆ ಸೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು I am finding cofactor. So ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು. Again remaining, so 3 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ leaving this row and column, we have 2 3 5 6. Expand this. For example, what is the cofactor of, we'll go for 4. So that is A21, that is equals to, so 2 plus 3, sorry, 2 plus 1 3. What is 3? 3 is a odd number. So odd number bantu andre minus ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, minus ಈಗ, so leaving this row and column, we have 2 3 8 9 2 3 8 9 expand this. Okay, so this is how to find the cofactor directly. So ಇದು actually minor ಇದು ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾತಾಡ್ರೆ ಮೈನರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಮೈನರ್ ಗೆ ಅಪ್ರಾಪ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಕೋಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್. ಅದ್ರ ಸೈನ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ದ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಟ್ವೈಸ್. ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಮುಂದೆ we got something called as a simultaneous equation, solvation of simultaneous equations. For that you need to find what the cofactors. Thank you.